Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss some most important MCQ about science, human body. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe my channel. First question, what is the main function of red blood cell? Correct answer is option A, transport oxygen. What is the largest organ in the human body? Correct answer is option B, skin. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Correct answer is option C, hormone production. What type of joint is found in the shoulder? Correct answer is option B, ball and socket joint. Which hormone regulates the sleep-wake cycle? Correct answer is option C, melatonin. What is the basic functional unit of the kidney? Correct answer is option A, nephron. Where the red blood cells are produced? Correct answer is option C, bone marrow. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Correct answer is option B, cerebellum. What is the normal pH range of human blood? Correct answer is option D, 7.35 to 7.45. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Correct answer is option D, vitamin K. Which gland produced insulin? Correct answer is option C, pancreas. What type of muscle is found in the heart? Correct answer is option C, cardiac muscle. How many pair of ribs do humans typically have? Correct answer is option C, 12. What is the primary function of white blood cell? Correct answer is option C, fight infection. Which part of the eye is responsible for controlling the amount of light that enters? Correct answer is option D, iris. What is the function of hemoglobin? Correct answer is option C, carry oxygen. Which part of the digestive system is primarily responsible for nutrient absorption? Correct answer is option C, small intestine. What is the primary component of the human body's extracellular matrix? Correct answer is option A, collagen. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Correct answer is option A, stapes. What type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Correct answer is option B, arteries. Which vitamin is synthesized by the human body when exposed to sunlight? Correct answer is option D, vitamin D. What is the term for the windpipe in the human respiratory system? Correct answer is option D, trachea. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating heart rate and breathing? Correct answer is option C, medulla oblongata. What is the primary function of platelets in the blood? Correct answer is option C, clot blood. Which gland is known as the master gland of the endocrine system? Correct answer is option B, pituitary gland. What type of cell are responsible for detecting light in the human eye? Correct answer is option B, rods and cones. What is the main structural component of hair and nails? Correct answer is option C, keratin. Which part of the brain is involved in memory and learning? Correct answer is option B, hippocampus. What is the primary function of the large intestine? Correct answer is option C, absorb water. What is the basic unit of structure and function in the human body? Correct answer is option C, cell. Which of the following is not a type of muscle tissue? Correct answer is option D, epithelial. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Correct answer is option D, type O. What is the primary function of the small intestine? Correct answer is option B, absorbs nutrients. Which part of the human body is primarily responsible for detoxification? Correct answer is option B, liver. What is the role of the myelin sheath in the nerve cell? Correct answer is option C, insulin the axon. What is the term for the process by which cell divide to produce new cell? Correct answer is option B, mitosis. Which part of the digestive system stores bile? Correct answer is option C, gallbladder. What is the function of the alveoli in the lungs? Correct answer is option C, exchange gases. What is the primary function of the immune system? Correct answer is option C, protect against pathogens. What is the role of the hypothalamus in the human body? Correct answer is option B, regulate blood temperature. What is the main component of human blood plasma? Correct answer is option A, water. Which type of cell is involved in the process of phagocytosis? Correct answer is option C, macrophage. Which mineral is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? Correct answer is option C, iron. What is the main function of the respiratory system? Correct answer is option C, exchange gases. Which part of the human body contains the vocal cords? Correct answer is option B, larynx. Which hormone lowers blood sugar level? Correct answer is option B, insulin. What is the function of the ribosomes in a cell? Correct answer is option B, synthesize proteins. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lung to the heart? Correct answer is option B, pulmonary veins. What is the role of the pancreas in digestion? Correct answer is option B. Secretes digestive enzymes. Which part of the brain is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as thinking and decision making? Correct answer is option C. Cerebrum. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? Correct answer is option C. Vitamin C. What is the primary function of spleen? Correct answer is option B. Filter blood. Which part of the heart is responsible for maintaining balance? Correct answer is option C. Semicircular canals. What is the main components of bones? Correct answer is option C. Calcium phosphate. What is the primary function of the large intestine? Correct answer is option C. Absorb water. Which structure in the human body produces bile? Correct answer is option B. Liver. What is the primary function of the kidneys? Correct answer is option B. Filter blood. Which of the following is not a type of white blood cell? Correct answer is option B. Erythrocyte. Which part of the brain is responsible for controlling voluntary movements? Correct answer is option C. Cerebrum. What is the function of the hormone glucagon? Correct answer is option B. Increase blood sugar levels. What is the basic structural unit of the nervous system? Correct answer is option A. Neuron. Which of the following is not a function of a skeletal system? Correct answer is option D. Produce insulin. What type of tissue connects muscle to bones? Correct answer is option B. Tendons. Which organ is responsible for filtering toxins from the blood? Correct answer is option B. Liver. What is the role of hemoglobin in red blood cells? Correct answer is option B. Carry oxygen. What is the function of the hormone adrenaline? Correct answer is option B. Prepare the body for fight or flight response. Which organ produces digestive enzyme and insulin? Correct answer is option B. Pancreas. What is the primary function of the large intestine? Correct answer is option C. Absorb water and electrolytes. Which hormone is responsible for regulating metabolism? Correct answer is option C. Thyroxine. What is the role of alveoli in the respiratory system? Correct answer is option C. Exchange gases. Which of the following is not a type of connective tissue? Correct answer is option D. Muscle. What is the function of the enzyme amylase? Correct answer is option B. Break down carbohydrates. Which part of brain control body temperature and hunger? Correct answer is option D, hypothalamus. What is the primary function of red blood cells? Correct answer is option C, transport oxygen. What is the role of the hormone insulin? Correct answer is option B, lower blood sugar levels. Which part of the brain is responsible for higher cognitive functions? Correct answer is option C, cerebrum. What is the primary function of the immune system? Correct answer is option C, protect against diseases. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Correct answer is option D, vitamin K. What is the function of diaphragm in the respiratory system? Correct answer is option C, assist in breathing. What is the role of platelets in the blood? Correct answer is option C, clot blood. Which organ is primarily responsible for regulating water balance in the body? Correct answer is option C, kidneys. Which hormone is responsible for stimulating milk production in females? Correct answer is option C, prolactin. Which part of the human body contains the islets of Langerfans? Correct answer is option B, pancreas. What is the main function of the urinary bladders? Correct answer is store urine. What is the primary function of the hormone thyroxine? Correct answer is option B, control metabolism. Which blood component is responsible for transporting oxygen? Correct answer is option C, red blood cells. Which vitamin is produced by the skin in response of sunlight? Correct answer is option D, vitamin D. What is the primary function of the endocrine system? Correct answer is option B, regulates body function through hormones. Which organ is responsible for producing bile? Correct answer is option C, liver. What is the main function of hemoglobin in the blood? Correct answer is option C, transport oxygen. What is the primary role of the respiratory system? Correct answer is option B, exchange gases. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for nutrient absorption? Correct answer is option C, small intestine. What is the main function of the hormone oxytocin? Correct answer is option D, induce labor contraction. Which type of blood vessels carries blood away from the heart? Correct answer is option B, arteries. Which part of the brain controls breathing and heart rate? Correct answer is option C, medulla oblongata. Which hormone is involved in the regulation of sleep-wake cycle? Correct answer is option B, melatonin. What is the primary function of the lymphatic system? Correct answer is option C, maintain fluid balance and protect against infection. Which mineral is essential for muscle contraction and nerve function? Correct answer is option C, calcium. Which part of the brain is involved in processing visual information? Correct answer is option A, occipital lobe. What is the role of the hormone aldosterone? Correct answer is option B, control blood pressure and electrolyte balance.